Hello everyone. In this video, I'm explaining about Zoho tips from the Zoho.com, and actually in here you can find all the information in the below regarding customization, functions, data analytics, data administration, automation, security, collaboration, productivity, and miscellaneous. Like I'm explaining the entire things like about the functions. And here, as you can see, I will explain one by one all the things. Follow my video and you will get the functions, the execution of the functions, the entire things step by step, how the deluge work, and also subscribe to my channel. Then you will get exact information and all the knowledge regarding deluge and support me. Thank you.